we discuss about triple integral. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 1, integral minus z to z, integral x minus z to x plus z for the function x plus y plus z into dy dx into dz. So here we have the two variables. That variable which is not there is nothing but y. So here first we must integrating with respect to y. So first we must identify this one. Sometimes these two matches. So straight away we can write it that integrating with respect to y. So here we get integral minus 1 to 1, integral minus z to plus z. Here all other elements are constant except y. So here x is constant plus z also constant. X plus z integration is x plus z into y plus y is y square by 2. Limit is x minus z to x plus z. Integrating with respect to x and z. So here we apply the x plus z and x minus z, upper limit and lower limit. X plus z into open bracket. Here y is there, y is nothing but upper limit x plus z minus lower limit x minus z. We close the bracket plus here we apply upper limit x plus z whole square minus x minus z whole square in the denominator whole dividing by 2. Here this should be integrated with respect to x and z. Now we simplify this one. Here we can see that x plus z into x plus z. Here we multiply the minus x plus z we get plus here we must apply a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. We get x square plus z square plus 2 times zx minus x square plus z square minus 2 times zx whole dividing by 2. So this should be integrated with respect to x and z. Here x get cancelled. Here plus x square minus x square get cancelled and z square get cancelled. Now we get integral minus 1 to 1, integral minus z to z. Here we get x plus z. Here 2 times z is there. X plus z into 2 times z plus here minus into minus is plus. So here 2 plus 2 is 4 zx dividing by 2. This should be integrated with respect to x and with respect to x and z. So we can cancel this one. We get 2 times. Now here z is there. Here x is there. This is nothing but x equal. So here integrating with respect to x. So here whichever the variable is there, we should not integrate with respect to that variable. That should be remembered. So here minus 1 to 1. Here if we multiply with respect to x to z, 2z is constant. X integration is x square by 2 plus z is constant, so z into x plus here 2z into x integration is x square by 2. So we apply the limit for this one minus z to z Now if we apply the limits, integral minus 1 to 1, 2 times z. Here we replace x as z. So here we get z square minus lower limit is minus z whole square. We can write it as plus dividing by 2 plus here z into x is upper limit z minus lower limit minus z. So we do it carefully. Plus here 2 to get cancelled, z into upper limit z square minus z square. So here 2z open bracket till here. So we are getting z square minus z square. This become 0. This one is 0 and this one become 0. We get integration minus 1 to 1, 2 times z into, here we are getting 2 times z. So here we are getting 2z into dz. It is nothing but 4 times integration minus 1 to 1 z power 3 into dz. So here if we integrate this one, we get in 4 times z power 3 is z power 4 dividing by 4. Limit is minus 1 to 1. So here 4 get cancelled. If you apply the upper limit, 1 power 4 minus 1 power 4. So 1 power 4 is 1 minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. 1 minus 1, we get the answer 0. Integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Integral 0 to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square. For the function x into y into z into dz into dy dx. So here first we integrate with respect to x, integrating with respect to z. Sorry, here dz is there, we integrate with respect to z. We get square root of 1 minus x square. Here x into y is constant. We integrate z, so z is z square dividing by 2. Limit is 0 to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square into dy dx. So here if we apply the upper limit, we get, here we can write it as x y dividing by 2. Here if we apply the upper limit, square root and the square is there. So we get the answer 1 minus x square minus y square. We can write it by squaring, square root get cancelled. And if we apply the lower limit, it becomes 0 into dy dx. Now we integrate this one with respect to y. Integrating with respect to y. So here we get integration 0 to 1. Before integrating with respect to y, what we do? First we multiply the term. 1 by 2 is taken out. So here instead of integrating, first we multiply. So if we multiply this one, we get x into y minus x square into xy is x power 3 into y minus x into y power 3. So here now if we integrate this one, x into, we are integrating with respect to y, so y is y square by 2 minus x power 3 into y is y square by 2 minus x into y power 3 is y power 4 dividing by 4 for the limit 0 to square root of 1 minus x square. Then the answer should be integrated with respect to x. So here 1 by 2 integral 0 to 1. We apply the upper limit. Y square is there. So if we substitute this one, square root get cancelled. We can write it as 1 minus x square. Lower limit 0. So we get 0 here. Minus x power 3 by 2. So similarly y square, we get 1 minus x square by substituting. Minus x dividing by 4. Here, if we square power 4 is there, we integrate carefully 1 by 2. So here if first we multiply here x minus x power 3 dividing by 2 is there, so dividing by 2 minus here if we multiply we get x power 3 minus into minus is plus x power 5 dividing by 2 minus for this symbol minus here we get x by 4 into 1 minus x square the whole square. So here first before integrating we simplify this one. So here denominator 2 is there. So we write it as 1 by 2 of x minus x power 3 minus x power 3 is there plus x power 5 plus minus x by 4 into 1 minus x whole square, we can write it as 1 plus x power 4 minus 2 times x square. So if we simplify this one, this one 1 by 2, we can add the second term 2 times x power 3 plus x power 5 minus we multiply here we get x by 4 minus x power 5 plus 2 times x power 3. So this minus we put it here. Now we can take the LCM, we can simplify or we can integrate as it is. So what I am going to do, I am integrating as it is. Why? Because the limit is 0 to 1, we can simplify easily. So here if we integrate with respect to x become x square by 2 minus 2 x power 3 become x power 4 by 4 plus x power 5 become x power 6 by 6. So here limit is 0 to 1. Similarly 1 by 4 is taken common, minus x is minus x square by 2 by integrating minus x power 5 become x power 6 by 6 plus 2 times x power 3 become x power 4 by 4. Limit is 0 to 1. So apply the upper limit. So we get x become 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 here. So we can cancel. We can write it as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Lower limit become 0 plus 1 by 4. Here upper limit minus 1 by 2 minus if we substitute 1 we get 1 minus 1 by 6. This one by simplifying we get 1 by 2 and the lower limit is 0. So here we can cancel this 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and here we can cancel this minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now we can write it this as 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. Here we have minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 6. So here we simplify this one 1 by 12 minus 1 by 24. We take the LCM. So this one 24 is the LCM. We get 2 minus 1. So we get 1 dividing by 48 is the answer.